Is your fancy cordless vacuum suddenly just pushing dirt around instead of picking it up? You pull the trigger, hear the motor, but that pile of crumbs just won't disappear. It's frustrating, right? A sudden Dyson V12. Suction issue is a common headache plaguing owners of this specific model. It turns your high-tech cleaning machine into a very expensive stick. The culprit is usually hiding inside the cleaner head. All that pivoting and turning eventually leads to a broken hose. Even a tiny tear in this internal tubing destroys the vacuum seal, killing the airflow instantly. Ignoring this creates a domino effect. Not only does your home stay dirty, but the lack of pressure forces the motor to overwork and overheat, potentially frying the battery or the main engine. But don't panic, Robocare has the solution. Our certified technicians understand the intricate engineering of the Dyson V12 inside and out. We don't just guess where the leak is, we use specialized pressure testing diagnostic equipment to isolate the airflow loss, ensuring we treat the root cause, not just the symptom. Once we identify the fault, we don't do patch jobs with tape. We perform a surgical disassembly to access the motor housing and replace the compromised part with genuine components. This ensures your vacuum repair restores that factory seal tightness required for maximum power. But seeing is believing, right? Now we're going to show you the flawless results. And now, look at that power. The suction is fully restored. It's grabbing heavy debris and fine dust instantly. This Dyson V12 is back to factory performance and ready to tackle anything. Hear what our customers have to say about their Robocare experience.
So, if you are sitting there with a Dyson V12 that's losing suction, or if you suspect you have that dreaded broken hose issue, please don't try to force it open yourself. Check out Robocare. They are fast, they are transparent, and they actually fixed the problem.
Don't settle for weak suction. Visit our website or call us today to book your repair.